Namaste children. We are in Unit 3 Subtraction of 4-digit numbers. In that worksheet 1, the first bit is subtract the following. The first one already he has given in a tabular column. He has placed the place values and numbers also according to the place values. The first number is 6589. The second number is 1352. And here see the sign minus that indicates subtraction. And this minus sign has to be next to the table. Now we have to do subtraction. And we have to start from the ones place. See here in ones column, what are the numbers we are having? 9 and 2. That means 9 minus 2. How much? 7. Now next, tens column. In tens column, we have 8 and 5. So 8 minus 5 will give us 3. In hundreds column, 5 minus 3, that is 2. In thousands column, 6 minus 1 is 5. And children, whenever we are doing subtraction, whatever the answer we are getting, that is called difference. Difference of these two given numbers. And finally, what you have to do? You have to write answer is equal to 5237 and take a red pencil and make a cloud nicely. Children, now the second bit is, here we need not to arrange the numbers in columns as he has given already in columns. The thing is we have to do subtraction. See here the numbers are 5753 and the second number is 2112. Here we have to do subtraction as we have minus sign here. First we will start subtraction from ones column. In ones column we have 3 minus 2. Children, say along with me. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now in tens column, 5 minus 1, that is 4. In hundreds column, 7 minus 1 is 6. Lastly in thousands column, we have 5 minus 2, that is 3. Now we have to write answer is equal to 3641 and take a red pencil and make a cloud. Now we are in fourth bit. Here the first number is 8753 and the second bit is 2632. First we will start our subtraction from ones column. In ones column we have 3 minus 2, that is how much children? 1. And in tens column 5 minus 3 is 2. In hundreds column 7 minus 6 is 1. And lastly in thousands column 8 minus 2 is 6. And after that you have to write answer is equals to 6121. Take a red pencil and make a cloud, and whatever the answer now, what we will call it as difference. This is the difference of these two numbers. 6121 is the difference of these two numbers. Now we'll go for the sixth bit. In sixth bit, what are the numbers we are having? One is 8432 and the second number is 6321. Here you observe the sign minus. So we have to do subtraction. Subtraction starts from ones column. In ones column, 2 minus 1 is 1. In tens column, 3 minus 2 is 1. In hundreds column, 4 minus 3, again 1. In thousands column, 8 minus 6 is 2. So now what is it called? The difference. The difference of 8432 and the 6321 is 2111. And finally we will write answer is equal to 2111 and make a cloud with your red pencil. Now the next bit is seventh one. The numbers are 8868 and the second one is 2446. As we have minus sign here, we are doing subtraction. Let's start from the ones column. In ones column, 8 minus 6 is 2. In tens column, 6 minus 4. How much? Again 2. In hundreds column, 8 minus 4 is 4. In thousands column, 8 minus 2 is 6. Now what is this called, children? It is difference. Difference of the above two numbers. So 8868 and 2446. And this is the difference of these two numbers. Finally we will write answer is equals to 6422 and take a red pencil and make a cloud, and this is called difference of the above two numbers. Now we are doing 8th bit. See the numbers 4867 and the other number is 4341. So again minus sign. So we are doing subtraction. We'll start from ones column. In ones column we have 7 minus 1, that is 6. In tens column we have 6 minus 4, that is 2. In hundreds column we have 8 minus 3, that is 5. And lastly in thousands column 4 minus 4. How much, children? 0. So in thousands column we have 0 here. So now tell me, what is the difference of these two numbers? 4867 and the 4341. The difference of these numbers are, here we don't have anything in thousands. So we will start from hundreds place. This is 526. Finally, we will write our answer is equals to 526. I am not writing anything in thousands column as we got 0 here. And take a red pencil and make a cloud. Thank you.